Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to get Play Store on your Huawei Nova Y Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, find the Huawei Store, which is the app gallery. We can find the app gallery right here, so open it. Click on the search bar and search for the app G-Space. This app I already have on my phone, but I'll uninstall it and show you step by step. As you can see, we can find Google Apps and also the Play Store. I'll open Settings, go to All Apps, and uninstall G-Space. This will make it easier for you to follow the step-by-step tutorial. Go back to the app gallery, type G-Space, and search. Get this app and click Install. Be patient and wait a bit, then click Open. Click Start and accept all permissions that pop up. First, click for the Google Play Store to sign in. Log in with your Google account. Enter your email, click Next, then enter your password. I'll be using this device, and that's the normal Play Store setup. When you log in, the Play Store opens and you can download any app, like YouTube. You can go back and the icon appears here. Click and hold to move icons between screens. In G-Space you can change themes or upgrade. Click the plus to clone apps and add them here. You can also create shortcuts and add them to your screen. As you can see, YouTube appears with the G-Space marking and will open on your phone. Wait a moment and everything works fine. That's how you install Play Store and Google services on your Huawei Nova Y61. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.